If you know the concepts of wave optics and then optics, then only you should go through these questions. Otherwise, you will feel demotivated. So please, okay, I will suggest you if you know the chapter, then only go through the questions. Otherwise, please don't attempt the questions. So my purpose is not to gather audience. My purpose is to, if you know, then you should attempt, and that it will benefit you. But if you don't know, then you will try. Okay, so at the end, okay, see, you will not learn too much, but you will feel demotivated. So I don't want you to feel demotivated. So my purpose is never is to reach to the crowd. My purpose is to reach to the person who definitely trying to crack the rank. Okay, so if you think that you can be the featured ranker, then only you should go through these questions. So I'm moving forward. The questions we have is Newton has postulated his corpuscular theory on the basis of. So options we have Newton's ring color due to thin film, dispersion of light, and rectilinear propagation of light. Okay. So this question is very easy questions. This question is doable questions, and I will suggest you should attempt these questions. So what's the answer for these questions? So corpuscular theories, okay, Newton postulated corpuscular theories, okay, on the basis of what? On the basis of what? So correct answer is rectilinear propagation of light, okay, rectilinear propagation of light. Okay, so now we are moving for next question is we have, according to corpuscular theory, the color of light is given by color of light is given by speed of the corpuscles, okay, speed, size of the corpuscle, mass of the corpuscles, or frequency of the corpuscles. Okay, so correct answer is size of the corpuscles. So we are talking about size. Okay, so according to the corpuscular theory, the color of light is due to the size, due to the size. Okay, next question we are moving. Assertion we have corpuscular theories fails in explaining the velocity of light in air to water. Okay, and according to corpuscular theories, light should travel faster in denser media than in rarer media. So you have options in front of you, and you should go through these questions. This question is doable. So answer is both. Answer is correct. So corpuscular theory fails in explaining the velocity of light in air to water. Okay, this is correct. Okay, this is correct. And according to corpuscular theory, light should travel faster in denser media than in rarer media. So if you understood the concepts, I'm moving for next questions. Next questions we have. According to Huygens, the ether medium pervading entire universe is. So entire universe is. So basically we are assuming whole universe is full of ether. Okay, so highly elastic and less denser. Highly elastic and less denser. This is good question. So you should know this question. If you don't know, so please okay, go through these questions. Definitely it will help you. So next, we are moving for next question. Next question we have Huygens wave theory could not explain, okay, reflection of light, refraction of light, interference of light, and double refraction. So Huygens wave theory, okay, could not explain the double refraction. Okay, so we'll go through double refraction. We are moving for next question. So for the propagation of light wave medium is required. This is according to for the propagation of light wave medium is required. This is according to Maxwell theory, Huygens theory, Planck theory, and Newton's theory. So correct answer is Huygens theory. So for the propagation of light wave medium is required. This is okay according to Huygens theory. Next question we are moving for assertion. Huygens theory failed to explain polarization. Okay, reason. According to hydrogen's theory, light is longitudinal wave. Okay. So Huygens theory failed to explain polarization, and according to Huygens theory, light is longitudinal wave. So options we have this. So correct answer is first. So Huygens theory failed to explain polarization. This is correct. Failed to explain polarization. And according to Huygens theory, light is longitudinal wave. Light is longitudinal wave. Okay, so this is also correct. Now we are moving for next question. So next question we have Newton's corpuscular theory of light could not explain diffraction of light. Newton's corpuscular theory of light could not explain refraction of light. Huygens wave theory failed to explain polarization property of light. Okay. So correct answer options we have in front of here. So here Newton's corpuscular theory of light could not explain refraction of light. This is wrong. And Huygens wave theory fails to explain polarization property of light. This is correct. Next question we are moving for assertion velocity of light is more in rarer medium than in denser medium, and light waves are longitudinal mechanical waves. So correct answer statement this and this options are in front of you. So correct answer is okay. Velocity of light is more in rarer medium. This is correct. Light waves are longitudinal mechanical wave. This is wrong. Next questions we are moving for. Consider the following statement shows the correct statement. Newton's corpuscular theory can explain reflection and diffraction of light. Huygens wave theory can explain interference and diffraction of light. So options are A and B correct, A and B false, A false, B true, and so on. So correct answer is both true. So consider following statement. So Newton corpuscular theory can explain reflection and refraction of light. And Huygens wave theory can explain interference and diffraction of light. Interference and diffraction of light. Next, we are moving for next question. According to Maxwell, most of the optical properties of light depend on According to Maxwell, most of the optical properties of light depend on magnetic vector, electric vector, both electric magnetic vectors. So answer is electric vectors. Next question we are moving for. So the idea of quantum nature of light has emerged in an attempt to explain interference, diffractions, black body radiations, and polarization. So correct answer is black body radiation. Next question we are moving for. According to Maxwell theory, the value of 1 by mu naught epsilon naught square root 4 is space divergent. So this is doable and very good question. Mostly this question comes in exam. So what is correct answer? So correct answer is velocity of light in vacuum. Next question we are moving for. In case of theory of light, nature of light. So we have list 1, we have list 2. So list 2 we have this, so on. Options we have this. So correct answer is first. So light is a collection of photon. Light is a collection of photon. Okay, it's given by Maxwell. Okay, light is a room of electromagnetic wave. Room of electromagnetic wave. So it's given by Max Planck's theory. Light is a wave. Light is a wave. It's given by Huygens. And light is a stream of corpuscles. Okay, that's given by Newton. So this is very good questions. So if you know, so you should know. Otherwise, don't go through these questions. Otherwise, don't go through these questions. Next question. So on reflection from a plane surface, the following gates change: wavelength, frequency, speed, and amplitude. Again, this is a very good question. So amplitude changes, wavelength, frequency, and speed does not change. Does not change. Amplitude changes. Next question, which of the following is not case with image formed by a plane mirror? It's easy questions, and it's easy questions, okay? So it is diminished. This is wrong. It is diminished. It's not the case. It's not the case. Next question we are moving for. When an object is placed between two parallel mirrors, the number of images formed is, so we'll keep, okay, between two parallel mirrors, number of images will be infinite, okay? Next questions we are moving for. The rear view mirror of a car is plane, convex, okay, concave, and either convex or concave. So correct answer is convex. Next questions we are moving for. If a number of images of a candle flame are seen in a thick mirror, then if a number of images of a candle flame are seen in a thick mirror, then the first image is the brightest. Okay, so we are using thick mirror. Okay, second image is the brightest. This second image will be the brightest. Second image will be the brightest. Okay, so last questions we are doing. A plane mirror reflects the beam light to form a real image. The incident beam is, so basically plane mirror is forming real image. So such a equations. Okay, such a equation. So convergent beam is okay. Incident beam is convergent. Incident beam is convergent. Okay. Convergent beam is incident.